fish.
Oh, yeah.
God, it smells so good.
The picture of the ice cream.
What? No,
Oh, the barbecue.
Yeah. I'm recording this, you guys, so do something.
Oh, really?
Do something exciting. That was very exciting.
That's as exciting as I get, I'm sorry. Just full of
I want to do
stuff.
something illegal.
That's nice.
Let's do the dog.
Hey Chelsea, that's what you're gonna do.
Once I say grace, I'd say yeah.
Wait, what?
Once
Shit.
Once the Spanish try to see, they let us play soccer with them. Because you know how they love you.
Do you guys get hit on by weird Mexican guys?
Yes. Well, every Mexican guy hits on. Okay, that was alright. No, I'm every construction worker there.
Every construction worker.
Not every Mexican guy.